We are now here at a place called Yoluri Lura, and according to the locals, and the tiger took that stuff, that chutney, and he threw on this ground.
Now we have came to Split Rock. Now we have reached Molingmana, and now we are going for a small trekking. In there is one river, Umkoi River, and from there are two major things which I have to see. One is Fossils Track and other one is Split Rock. We have to pre-book or something like that so that we can get a guide and they will go with us and show the places around. क्या फील है भाई, मतलब लिटरली फुल जंगल में. That's our guide. पीछे था वाटरफॉल, बट अभी हम लोग वाटरफॉल नहीं जा रहे हैं. अभी पहले हम लोग फॉसिल एरिया जा रहे हैं. स्पाइडर इधर बड़ा से स्पाइडर, उतना बड़ा स्पाइडर लाइफ में लाइक अपने आँखों से पहली बार देखा. अब पूरा ट्रेन वापस से चेंज हो गया. We are finally here. At least for the first days we are here. See, these are fossils. These stones are everywhere. Some are broken. These stones are everywhere. So, brother, what is the history of this one? How the fossils came
according
up in
to
the
the geologists, they said that this was under the ocean like thousands of years ago.
Okay. So this place was under the ocean and like slowly water went down and the fossils of the animals or whatever that time creatures just
the insects
remained here.
Sea urchins, that's what they say.
Sea urchins. Oh wow.
Years back we did not know these were fossils, so the locals used to, whenever they fell down, they throw everywhere.
Oh.
So it's, I'm not sure when is the year, but I think it's 2011 or 12 when
someone found fossils. Wow, this is so amazing that fossils 10 साल पहले, मतलब like many years ago मेघालय पानी के नीचे था. वाह, लाइक जो भी हिल्स था, जो भी माउंटेन रेंज में आता है, ये मुझे नॉलेज नहीं है, आई हैव टू चेक फॉर दैट. पानी के नीचे है, पानी के नीचे था एंड नाउ वाह, लिटरली वी आर वॉकिंग ऑन द ग्रास. इससे ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट
These are also fossils.
एंड जो भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स देख रहे हैं ये वीडियो, जब भी मैं यूट्यूब पे डालूंगा, भाई मिस कर दिया तुम लोगों ने. अगर आ जाते ना तो मज़ा आ जाता. मिस कर दिया. ऐसा चीज़ वो कहीं देखने को नहीं मिलेगा, कहीं भी नहीं. बट असली मज़ा तो तभी आएगा जब आप लोग मेरा वीडियो देखो, सब्सक्राइब करो एंड खुद से आके देखो। मैं यहाँ पे होगा तो फॉर हेल्प, कि आप लोग को दिक्कत नहीं हो जो मैंने फेस किया आज। मैं इन लोग का नंबर डाल दूँगा ताकि अगर कोई भी इन केस अभी या फिर इन फ्यूचर देखता है मेरा वीडियो, देन दे कैन डायरेक्टली कॉल एंड कम हियर।
Okay, we are now here at the place called Yauluri Lura.
Okay.
And according to the locals, we believe that this used to be the marketplace for the animals.
Okay.
And these are like the footprints that, according to the locals. See, we have one story. We have one story that is related to this. According to that story, it says, like thousands of years ago, we believe the animals could also speak just like human beings.
Okay.
So to the animal kingdoms also, they do have like market.
Yeah, they do.
yeah,
Like they have to purchase
yeah.
things and all those things.
So this was like a marketplace for all the animals nearby.
Okay.
And in that market, the tiger was the head. I mean, the one who was
Who
looking
was
after
the
them.
leader?
Yeah, who was the leader.
Yeah.
And among all the animals, the dog was the laziest one among the
Dog.
animals. The dog, yes, was the
Okay.
laziest one. We believe that dog used to be
The lazy.
used to live with the
Okay.
animal in the
Yeah, those
in
the whole market
yes.
group, animal group.
So it happens one day that the dog was, he was thinking about doing the selling thing at the market. So he thought to himself, why not find something so
Yeah.
that he could also come and sell
Yeah.
to earn something for himself. So he was roaming around the village, the village nearby. So he came across one stuff. In Khasi we call it Tungrambai.
Turamba.
It's made out of fermented beans.
Okay.
So that chutney, it's actually very famous in Khasi.
Okay.
So when it wasn't cooked, when it wasn't cooked yet, it smelled like shit.
Okay.
So it smelled very bad to everyone, but to the dog it smells good, of course.
Okay.
So he thought that this was the perfect one to
Sell
come,
lemon.
yeah, to come and sell. So he
Yeah.
stole that from humans and he brought here.
Okay.
And as soon as he brought, all the animals could feel that bad smell.
Okay.
So it was that deer who came and asked the dog what he was selling. So he was telling the truth that he stole the stuff from humans and that it smells really good. He told all animals that this was the best one he could find in the village. So it was the cat who complained about the bad smell. So the cat went to the tiger complaining about that. And the tiger took that stuff, that chutney,
Okay.
and he threw on this ground. And
Okay.
all the animals,
Just.
they were stamping at that.
Okay.
That's why it looked like this. That's what we believe.
Oh,
They were stamping
they
at that
started to stamp all these
Yes.
areas, and
They were stamping at that chutney.
okay.
And they said it was since that day onwards that their dog come and live with human.
Okay, that's why from that day they like excluded the dog
Yeah.
from their group, and then he started to live with, or she.
Actually, he lived alone, and then he thought that why can't I take revenge on them? So he was asking help from humans to take revenge on them.
Okay.
So whenever humans go for hunting, the dog help them.
Okay.
How? By
that's
smelling that.
smelling that food.
chutney from there,
Okay. Yeah. Like that time they had there in the feet
Yeah.
because of stamping,
Yeah.
and so he could smell those.
Yeah.
Wow, this is a nice story. Like that's why the whole area is like
Animals
this.
footprint.
Yeah. बहुत ही मजेदार स्टोरी है. Yeah, literally. It's look like for something somewhere.
But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
और क्या मेरे पीछे उस समय तो स्ट्रीमलाइन देखा, अब देखो वाटरफॉल और इसका आवाज़। पिक्चर प्लांट जो आज तक लाइफ में नहीं देखे हैं, अभी देखने को मिल रहा है। नाउ वी हैव केम टू अनदर मोस्ट अनडिस्कवर्ड एरिया, दैट इज स्प्लिट रॉक। दिस इज द स्प्लिट रॉक। वाओ, सो डीप। We can go down, no?
We can't.
Right now we can't.
They are repairing, see?
Shit, I thought we'll go down also. Over the split rock. Woo! This is so crazy. It's like straight deep. भाई मतलब इतना ज़्यादा, अगर कोई नीचे ऊपर से नीचे गिरेगा समझो चल बसेगा वो बंदा, फिर कुछ नहीं हो सकता उसका। भाई ऊपर से नीचे देखने में ना एक चक्कर सा आ जाता है। एंड स्प्लिट रॉक के साथ एक और चीज़ बहुत ब्यूटीफुल मिलता है, वो है क्या मस्त जगह है।
All these suckers, all these busts, all these leeches, now I'm not blind to it. Yeah. Get you done or we gon' run or watch me come up off of my music. I just make 10 in a week.
I don't remember the exact.
Oh, it's because of that
Quick.
rock got split in two halves. This was the gate to go down. And it's locked. So स्प्लिट रॉक तो देख ही लिया कि नहीं हो पाया, लाइक वो बंद था एंड ऑल दैट, जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन का चल रहा था काम। सो बट अब नाउ अब हम लोग अपने स्टेइंग जगह पे आए हैं। स्टेइंग जगह है उमकोई रिवर के पास, टेंट लगेगा। टेंट भी हमारा गाड़ी में रखा गया है। एंड फिर नाउ वी हैव टू गो एंड जस्ट लाई डाउन। सो यहाँ पे वाटर एक्टिविटीज़ भी होता है एंड लाइक कायाकिंग लोग कर सकते हैं, रिवर ट्रेल होता है यहाँ पे, बहुत सारा चीज़ चलता है। लाइक अगर इंटरेस्टेड लोग हैं तो इधर आके ये चीज़ ज़रूर कर सकते हैं। सो आई रिकमेंड एवरीवन टू कम, एटलीस्ट ये तीन, इस एरिया में अगर आ रहे हैं तो ये तीन जगह ज़रूर रहना। भाई दिस इज वेरी न्यू फॉर मी, कायाकिंग करते हुए इंडियन कैमरामैन। भाई सब्सक्राइब कर दो, लाइफ में एडवेंचर के लिए लोग क्या क्या नहीं करते। सो अभी हम लोग एक और वापस ऑफ रोड पैच में जा रहे हैं। अभी तो आप लोगों ने मेरा कायाकिंग करते समय कायाकिंग स्किल्स एंड वहाँ से व्यू तो देखा ही। नाउ वी आर गोइंग, सेम डैम है बट एक प्राइवेट साइड है जो कि उस व्यू और बहुत ही brother and their sister. See, I forgot to bring the comb. Acha, and their sister. Finally, I took bath. After I took bath, I came here. See, this is the tent. My driver will sleep. Hold on a second. This is the tent inside the house. That's not cool. But this is the tent. I don't know if you can see this or not. Okay. This is the tent where your Indian cameraman will sleep. This place and today's whole day was worth it. So ये जो लाइट जलता हुआ दिख रहा है, this is बांग्लादेश. Sorry, ये रहा लाइट.
Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way.